All right, guys, a little update on the Chevy Express here. The transmission job has not been fixed. I just did the full transmission valve body work and did it successfully, but it did not fix the problem. I'm still getting the same problem, and I believe I'm gonna have to take it to a shop. So I've spent the entire day today doing all the work I could on this thing to get it up and ready and the transmission working, but it has not worked yet. So I'm gonna have to bring it to a shop, and they're gonna have to replace the torque converter clutch, which requires dropping the entire transmission. So I cannot do that. So so I'm kind of at a standstill as far as the build goes right now for a minute, but yeah, here's some videos of working on the transmission earlier. It's kind of cool to see. Oh yeah, baby. That's what we like to see.